Hello guys, today I want to show you how to flash raspiOS on an SSD card and then connect per SSH to your Raspberry Pi. First, download the program BelenaEtcher. It is particularly created to flash Raspberry Pi images on an SSD or USB drive. In addition, you want to download the raspiOS image. You can find all links in the description. Install the program and run it. Now, connect your SD card. Then, in BelenaEtcher, pick the raspiOS image. Then your SD card and click Flash. Nice, your raspiOS image has been successfully flashed on the SD card. If you are prompted to format the drive because it is broken, just do not do it. In the next step, you want to create an SSH file on the SD card. To do that, open your SD card drive. It should be called boot. Here, create a text file called SSH. Remove the extension .txt. If you cannot see the extension, in the Explorer go to View and check File Name Extensions. Now, unplug your SD card, put it in your Raspberry Pi and give it power connection. Make sure it is connected via Ethernet to your local network. After about 2 to 3 minutes your Raspberry Pi should have started. Now, open the pre-installed Windows program called Powershell. To connect to your Raspberry Pi, write SSH Pi at raspberrypi.local and hit enter. The standard password for a fresh Raspberry Pi installation is Raspberry. The first thing you wanna do is change the standard password by typing PASSWD. Congratulations, you successfully flashed an SD card with raspiOS and connected per SSH to it. If you have any questions, let me know. You can reach me on Twitter or comment on the video. Nice. See ya.